Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today, Glossybox unboxing for you. This. I've been caught in the rain like twice today. It's August and today I wore knee-high boots, this dress with a cardigan and my great big yellow Jules raincoat because not only is it freezing but it's been pouring down with rain today, and unfortunately in my lunch break run to Starbucks I got drowned, and then on the way home I got caught in it as well. So yes, but hey, you're not here to look at me, you're here to look at Darwin because he's beautiful. Yes, no. So we're going to do a Glossybox unboxing. This is August's box because it's August. Now, I don't normally watch anyone's unboxing videos. Gilly, here you go. He likes to rip that belt. I never watch anyone else's video on this until I've done my unboxing, but I did see on Leisha's Insta stories that she got some beautifulness because it's holographic. So yes, it's a holographic box. It's rather fabulous and shiny. And what do you think, Darwin? You impressed? Bless him. He's so cute, isn't he? So yeah, it's a very pretty shiny box. Oh, Glossybox, the birthday edition, and it's already advertising this year's Christmas advent calendar. Not gonna lie, obviously I'm into Christmas all year round, but yeah, Christmas. But yes, this is the birthday edition. So it's all shiny and lovely. Packaging looks like that. Oh, so that's what the box looks like. If you saw the face, it's this. I don't like this stuff. At least the black one can be recycled that we get in the normal box, but I don't know if this can. But yes, anyway, let's jump into the goodness. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a Beauty Pro eye therapy under the eye with collagen and green tea. You excited by that, Darwin? You're not bothered. So these are like eye masks that go here. Look like that. This is a Deluxe Mini. The Deluxe Mini is worth £1.65. Big spend there, Glossybox. Full size is normally £4.95. But yeah, apparently these are going to smooth away fine lines before applying your party makeup, supposedly. Next thing, so this is what I saw on Instagram. It's a lip gloss. Now I have, this is a Hoola Beauty lip strobe, sorry. Now I have a matte gloss by Hoola, and it is one of my favourite like matte gloss, like, what's the terminology, like lip gloss that dries matte. It's my favourite one, and that's by Hoola, so I'm expecting big things. So this is in the shade Angelic, a lip strobe. We're kicking off our birthday celebrations with Glossy's favourite Hoola lip strobe, Huda's lip strobe. These recommended retail are 17 quid. I don't know if ooh, that's not a nice noise. It's got a nice applicator. I don't know if I'm brave enough to wear that as an all over colour. I don't know if you would. I think on a nude coloured lip, and then like a little bit there and there in the middle, in the centre, to make them look plumper, maybe. I don't know. Would you wear that as a full lip colour? I don't know how well it's showing. Like in the non-hot holographic light, it looks quite a pleasant colour, but when you get the light on it, it's a bit over top shiny for me, but I think, you know, in the middle of the lip it could look very plumping. Plumping, that was an enjoyable word. Next thing I'm pulling out is Imperial Leather Foam Burst Multi Moisturizer 30-day Whipped Cream and Body Wash. So this again is a deluxe mini. If it was somebody's birthday, you think you'd be getting full size. So the Foam Burst Ultimate Moisturizer, Golden Amber and Coconut Oil. All of you glossies deserve a pamper session on our birthday. Thanks to the newly launched foaming body wash, you can enjoy an indulgent bath or shower that revives your body and your mind, blends softening skin conditioners with nourishing natural oils. And that's when Darwin's deciding to play with his unicorn. Can I have the unicorn? Darwin. No, don't lick me. Get the unicorn. Bring it here. He's playing with his unicorn. Okay, so basically it's a mousse shower gel foamy burst thing. Deluxe mini, which is 75ml, is worth £2. The full size, which is 200ml, is £5. I'm really sorry if you can hear the squeaking. I don't really want to squeeze foamy shower gel on me, but you can smell, definitely can smell coconut. Okay, bear with me. Darwin, get me the unicorn. Get the unicorn. It really is a unicorn. Okay, you can have it back, I promise. So yeah, I can smell the coconut. Next item is this. What are you? A rose gold lash curler. Okay, so this is by Fur Lashes, F-U-R-R. Oh, you can see it on the package. Lashes. And this is a eyelash curler. These are 15 quid. Darwin. No, he's trying to sneak it. You can have it in a minute, Bubba. Promise. He's like, Mommy, I want the unicorn. It makes noise. So yeah, I've got, oh, it's quite a large one, isn't it? It's quite large. So rose gold eyelash curlers. I'm not something I use a lot. I have quite thick eyelashes anyway. So I don't normally curl them unless I'm going et. I know some people curl them for everyday use, but I don't. But yeah, still useful thing to have. And the last thing is in this box, and it's by Bang Beauty. I think I have a very nice lip gloss by them that came from a Glossybox. Again, let's see. Oh, it's lots of packaging. What are you? So this is a felt tip liner. Throughout our birthday month, we want you to let loose and have a good time without worrying about touching up your makeup. Luckily, this liquid eyeliner boasts a waterproof and quick drying formula that will stay put all night long. Better yet, it's thin, precise, marker-like tip glides on effortlessly without skipping, smudging or pulling. And this bad boy is £15.75p. So let's see if we can get into it without breaking a nail. Thrilling content. And that's what that looks like. And glides on lovely. I must admit, I do like a good pen liner. I much prefer a liquid or a felt pen than a pencil. I just feel I have more control and it's less draggy on the eyes. So I'm gonna say it was a good box. So we got 5 items, 3 full size. I don't quite get the terminology of a deluxe mini. It's kind of like, it's a sample size. It's just weird though that the two things that are the deluxe mini are the cheaper things, and it's like, so like the full size of this is a £5, and the full size of that's less than a £5. So I just think it would have been a much more impressive box if everything was full size. But hey, what we have got, I've enjoyed. I'm happy with both my makeup items. And I think everything will get used, so that's always good. So that is this month's Glossybox. Already advertising Christmas. I love Christmas. I shan't talk about Christmas because some people don't dig it. So, but yes, that's this month's Glossybox. That's this month's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share. I'll talk to you in the next one. Right. I have to give Darwin his unicorn back.